Hello, my name is BB2K, and in this video I'll be showing you how to flash RoninOS. In this project, we'll be using Balena Etcher. We will also need the RoninOS image and a micro SD card that is at least 16GB in size. First, head over to your browser, navigate to the website balena.io/etcher. This is the tool we'll be using to flash the RoninOS onto the micro SD card. Hit the download button to download Balena Etcher. Next, navigate to the website RoninDojo.io and then select download from the menu. From here, we are going to download the Raspberry Pi 4 version of the RoninOS image. Once the downloads are done, navigate to the Downloads folder, extract and launch Balena Etcher. In Etcher, click on the button that labels Flash from File. Then select the Raspberry Pi 4 version of the RoninOS image. Next, click on Select Target. If you haven't inserted your micro SD card to your computer already, please do so now. And then select the micro SD card as your target. Last but not least, click on the Flash button to begin flashing the RoninOS to your micro SD card. Once that is completed, we are ready to insert our micro SD card into our Raspberry Pi 4.